Hurricane Madeline. That's what's coming up apparently today around noon. So I'm headed to work right now. There's no school. All the schools have been called off because there's a hurricane warning for Wednesday, Thursday, and my work is only open till noon today. Grocery stores are only open till 11 or something, and then it's supposed to hit, I guess, this afternoon. So I haven't heard anything different that it's not, but it's gonna. So I thought today might be a good day to vlog a hurricane. But so far, pretty nice out this morning. I guess that's the calm before the storm, as they say, but it is a beautiful morning today. McDonald's boarding up their windows in preparation for the hurricane. Yeah, so I gotta get going to work, but we're closing at noon today because of the hurricane, so we'll get back on at noon and see how the weather is then. I guess it's supposed to hit around, I don't know, 2, 1 or something. So, but for now, it's just another beautiful day here, but we'll see how gnarly it gets. Tropical storm warning on the radio. Watch out. Made it home. So far, here's the storm update. It's beautiful outside. So, a little bit of wind. See everything moving a little bit. We'll see how it goes. 2:30, a little bit of an update. A little bit of wind, but it's pretty dang hot. Pretty warm today. So, we'll see if the bananas in the tree end up falling out. But quick update. Nothing much is happening. So it's time to go to the pool. Hurricane update about 4:30. Wind died down. A little muggy outside, like overcast, and the pool was awesome. So I don't know. We'll see. Update 5 o'clock. A little stormy looking. Huh?
No.
No hurricane?
No hurricane, it's just fake. Stop!
So when there's a hurricane and it's gonna storm, what do?
Nothing.
You get Rocco's Pizza.
Stuck your tongue out at your dad.
And then, yeah, you stick your tongue out of your dad. Just like him. Right?
Go!
We got the craziest Y right here where we live. Rocco's Pizza, Rocco's Pizza, Rocco's Pizza. Rocco's Pizza Pub. What do you think of that, buddy? You have a pizza place named after you. You know, this is going on the internet. Show everybody how stinky poopy you are. Stinky poopy Rocco, but delicious Rocco's Pizza. Get in my belly, Rocco's Pizza. I'm hungry. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Storm pizza. Hurricane pizza. Hurricane pizza? No. Rocco's Pizza.
What do you guys want to drink?
Rocco's Pizza.
Hog.
Oh, they do heart-shaped kid pizza. What do you think about that?
Cute.
Not bad.
We need a rocket ship.
Hurricane Sunset.
There is no hurricane. There is
Not yet.
Today.
Well, here's an update. It's like 6:45. So far, no hurricane yet. I mean, you can see the wind ain't even blowing right now. There's the sky. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, but so far, a little bit of clouds in the sky. Nothing too bad though. Looks like the storm hasn't came yet. 2 a.m. it'll be here. So if it gets crazy and it wakes me up, I'll tape it. So we'll see.